welcome back. Welcome back to the Nomadics. This week we're building a door. We are installing trim, installing closet walls, a headboard, lights, so many things. And I'm gonna bring you along with me. We have lights above our couch. Look at this. I love it. Really sets the vibe. And then that gives extra light for while we're cooking right here.
Well, I would think this battery would be the one that's dead because it's the shortest path to everything. But it's not charging from the bus, and it should be. I'm wiring our batteries in parallel. We have more current. When you wire them in parallel, the current stacks. If you wire them in series, the voltage stacks. We want more current to be able to power our stuff longer. And in a real parallel connection, the main positive that feeds the system comes from battery 1, and the main negative that feeds the system comes from battery 3, which would be over here. But I did it wrong and wired them both from battery 1, so it killed one battery, acting as if that was the only battery in the system. So now I'm having to recharge this battery because our other two are at 100%, and then I can wire it correctly. It's an easy fix once we can get the battery charged.
One thing that I really do need to work on is building a door for this bathroom. So we have a very small opening here because obviously it's going to swing out. We can't have it swing out too much, too wide, which is why I built it like this. I know some people might be like, why is this such a small doorway? I fit in it. It can go in like this too. I'm building this door just out of 1x4s that I have that I was going to be using for slats for my bed, but I might as well use those. I have them already, and I've never built a door before, but I feel like I can figure it out. Let's go see if I have enough wood to even do this. I was carrying these boards in the bus because it's just so cold outside. I can't be out there any longer, and there's ice at the bottom of the bus steps, and I slipped on it, face planted right into the snow. But it's okay. I got all my boards cut. I'm going to measure them together to make sure I did my math correctly, sand them down, screw them in. Just need a door hinge. I don't think that that's right. I might have to cut an 1/8 inch off of one now. I should know to not trust my math. That's looking a lot better. I like that a lot. Look at that.
Oh shit. That actually looks really nice.
Right? My shower door is in. Look at this. We got it up on the hinges yesterday. I used No More Tease hinges, thinking that I could just screw it into the micro cement on the inside here so you wouldn't see the hinges, but I didn't want to do that. Did not want to ruin my micro cement on the inside. I'm doing my hook and eye thing on the shower door so that it stays closed. And I'm unsure if I should have this part hanging from the wall or this part hanging from the door. Like what is typical here? I think I'm gonna have this part hanging from the wall. Do you know what this means? This means the shower is officially done. All it really needs is a shower curtain, actually, because I don't really feel like polyurethaning this door. So I was going to do a shower curtain so that no water touches the door. We have closet walls. So as you can see, I made that pretty deep, this closet. It's supposed to be symmetrical when you're looking back from the front of the bus. So the width of this shower is the same width as this closet. And it's closing off our bedroom area. Let me show you my favorite part. I cut out a little kitty hole for the cats to get back in the inside of the closet. Look at my spice drawer. I've got that all done. We have countertop on here, the oven, the stove, a big ass drawer. Now I'm working on getting this headboard installed. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that this is long awaited to get this in. I built this months ago and it's finally time so that I can trim around it because it's fitting back there against that window. I just can't install it myself because it would crush all the plumbing down below it, so I'm waiting for some help. We need to like hold it. I don't know if we should use wood to like prop it into place. Like that. That's level. Okay. You hold it right there. I feel like we shouldn't do this right now because I don't want it to be done wrong. Did you just hit your head? Round two. Okay, it's so far away from the wall.
It's good. I felt it.
Imagine this falls and crushes the whole plumbing system. Does that look crooked to you? Totally looks like it's slanting down. The level says it's level. The bus ain't level. I have 4 2x3s. I'm gonna use a support. All I need is for you to hold it while I unscrew that. Jesus. Yeah, that's better. So now that we know it's level and it's supported, I don't really need you because I can just screw everything in. Thank you. That's pretty sturdy. It's not resting on this pipe anymore. Now I just need to screw the studs in. Whew. Sick. Okay, all of these 2x3s down there are screwed in, supported by the studs on the walls, screwed into this. This is supported by the back wall. That thing's not going anywhere. I can finish up some trim around this window, covering up the pipes here. We're almost done back here. Thank you so much for watching this video and coming with me doing all of this stuff this week. It's been a really busy week. And next week will be even busier. I'm so excited for how this bus is turning out. It's looking way better than I imagined. I hope you agree too. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel, The Nomadics, and I'll see you next week with another video.